My name is Jessica Henry, and I am Director of Marketing for Clear Springs Foods. Analytics and data is every marketer's, love and nightmare at the same time. Trade shows are their own kind of special monster, so to speak, in my opinion. iCapture is worth looking into for us because we invest so much in our shows. We've been really trying to clean up and rebuild our own internal database. Kind of that good data in, good data out. And without knowing that things are consistent and efficient coming in, I can't design a great campaign going out. So I'm interested in iCapture because of the consistency from show to show. I only need to train my team on one software. Tracking the performance of each sales rep is quite critical, which is part of the interest in iCapture, is because, again, I get a little bit of follow-up, oh, it was a great show, but I don't have any measurement to tell me that it was a great show. That's the big one for us, is really understanding, how many people are we really touching at these shows, and how can we control that follow-up to really kind of mature some of these leads through the sales process. I can also be confident in the way the data is coming into my system on the end. And then I like the versatility of it, being able to capture not just badge information, but business cards and things like that.